Okay. Oh, maybe I should start with this thing on.
Start with it up. Get your ears up.
They don't like to stay up. This is doing wonders for my biker image, isn't it?
There.
Kongaloosh, how you guys doing? I hope everyone had a very happy Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate. It's probably Christmas or something very similar to it. Festivus for the rest of us. As you can see, we're decked out in our, I guess they're pajamas.
It's a pajamas.
Yeah. Aside from the weird clothing and the poofy headdress. Oh, now they stay up.
There you go. Oh.
No, okay. It's a lost cause. What are we doing tonight? We are going to experiment with snacks and candies from foreign lands. And in this situation, they are of Japanese origin. Some of them were probably made in China. We're not entirely sure about it. So what we got here is we got a whole bag of snacks that we got on our recent trip to Epcot. The trick that we wanted to do was to buy like a whole bunch of $5 or less snacks, chips, crackers, just whatever like popped to us. And the trick was, we were going for stuff that we couldn't identify. We had no idea what it is. We have no idea what the flavoring could be. Some of the things have some English on them. Some of them are completely in kanji, where I can't read it. I could probably Google translate it. So here's the first item. This guy, no idea. You know what? I'm not even sure if that's Japanese. It could be Japanese. So it looks like it's some kind of rice, or excuse me, like some kind of noodle cracker type of deal. It's completely all in Japanese on the back and the front, so we have no idea what it is. All right, what do we got? Okay, yeah, I was right. It's like some kind of
noodle.
Yeah, like some kind of noodle cracker. There we go. Not much to it. If you want to grab a couple. All right, I'm gonna guess these are probably like cracker or cheese flavored in some way. Oh. It does have like a cracker noodle consistency to it. I kind of like these. All right, what's next? Let's go for something big. That one was pretty good. Liked it. This one. Okay. Rice crackers. I'm going to guess these are going to taste a lot like say, rice cakes over here. I like how they're all individually wrapped, too. This is kind of like...
Oh.
And look at that. There's 2 of them in a package. There you go, one for you.
That is very light.
Yeah, I have no idea what that could taste like. Let's give it a shot.
Very crunchy.
Let's put it into a bad ASMR. This is something you put on other food. Mm-hmm. This is not a snack. Like a crouton, I guess. There's nothing wrong with it. It tastes very salty. Oh, sea salt from Okinawa. That's in English.
So it's almost like a rice cake.
Yeah, like rice. Yeah. This is probably something you crack, you crumble up on and you put into ramen. What do you think? Do you like it? It's so-so. It's... Yeah. Like I said, it's not much of a snack, that one. All right, so here we got another small bag. This one's special. All right, it says on the front Texas corn, and it's got an octopus. I don't think it's gonna taste like an octopus or corn or Texas. These little
corn chips.
Yeah, like flaky little puff nuggets things. Yeah. Oh, I like that. That is very corn. Yeah. If you like corn, this one is right up your alley because it's got a little bit of a flavor kick, not spice to it. You want more? You do one more? I like these. These are... Oh, wow. Yeah, I think even the kids would like them.
Very light.
Now, let's dig to the bottom here. This... Oh, this was something. I was looking at this at the shelf, and the guy next to me says, you don't want to do it. And that just made me like, I want to do it now. Shrimp chips. Calbee shrimp chips, the original Japanese crunchy shrimp snack for more than 50 years and become an American favorite too. Well, I've never heard of it. Okay, so they're all noodle shaped. Cheers. There's a shrimp. It's an aftertaste. It's a strong aftertaste of shrimp. Oh wow. Weird. I like it. I mean, if you like shrimp, yeah, absolutely. You want another one?
I'll try one more.
I grabbed like this one bag of collection of snacks. I had no idea what was in it, but this is one item that was in it. This is in English: bacon, potato, pretzel, and it looks kind of like a what are those sticks? They're like graham cracker sticks. I forget what they're called. Pocky.
The Hello Pocky.
Yeah, they got like little dips of chocolate on the end of it. This looks like the breadstick version of that. It comes in its own little serving tray. Neat. It's not bacon. It's not potato I'm tasting. There's a different flavor to it. What is that? Baked potato. I'm not tasting baked potato.
That's definitely not an American baked potato.
No, well, oh, that's true, because I didn't taste much garlic in there. I didn't taste any, like, buttery or potato flavor. I don't know. Okay, this one. Woo. This one looks like a kid snack. Very cartoonish. No indication what the flavor is. There we go.
Oh, okay.
It's like an onion ring. There's actually not much flavor to it.
A little oil to it.
Yeah, well, it's probably swimming in sodium. I don't know, that one's kind of meh. All right, next up. So it's got what looks like a bear, panda, something, some hibiscus. Oh, they're individual wrapped candies. Okay. Set these out in our holiday candy bowl.
Pressing on it, and there's no.
It's a hard candy?
It's a hard candy.
All right, let's. Oh, wow. So it's kind of like a.
Let's see. It's
What candy am I thinking? Yeah, same color, same shape. It's chocolate. It's definitely a chocolate flavor. I do like it. If you like chocolate, this is pretty good. I can't do hard candy.
And whatever it is 100% of something.
Maybe it's 100% bear. I don't know. This one definitely not a miss.
Okay, so what do we have?
So this next one has no English on the front. It looks like another form of the rice cracker that we had earlier, but only these are brown. And it does have on the back in English because the shop will slap a sticker on it with some English on it. Japanese baked rice cracker. There you go. Oh well, let's try.
A little bit more flavor than the first rice cracker.
Yeah.
It's just as crunchy.
My mouth sounds like a cement mixer right now. Yeah, there's more flavor to it. I do taste the rice. So they do use like a rice flavoring.
Yeah, contains soybeans and wheat.
Yeah, that's what it is. It has more of a soy flavor. Which, you know, I wonder if this is like another one of those. I mean, I don't see somebody crumbling one of these up unless they have a fist made of like the Infinity Gauntlet.
Yeah, with help.
You'd have to take a hammer to this thing to crunch it up because. Or maybe it's one of those things you let settle into the soup and just let it dissolve. Maybe that's what it is. Alright. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Oh, it's like the haunting of 1,000 different flavors. Alright, let's look for something fun this time. This looks like fun. It's in a box. Oh, Chocolate mushrooms, I guess. Is this?
Individually wrapped, maybe?
Is it? We'll probably know.
No.
It's a bag in a box. Oh, whoa, look at those.
They are little mushrooms.
They are little chocolate mushrooms. That's wild. Oh, that is so cool.
Oh, wait, and that's a crunchy, that's the biscuit.
Yeah,
the,
it's like a breadstick with chocolate tipped on the end there.
and that's chocolate. I just smelled it.
Oh, yeah, that's chocolate. I know you're a chocolate-holic. Wow.
Kind of like those,
These are like Pockies, only more chocolate.
that helps change your taste buds a little bit.
Yeah, that'll cleanse your palate in a heartbeat. Wow, these are really good. Okay, so far this one's a hit. Oh, here we go. Here's something that... Have you ever had mochi before? Wait, is this mochi? It's strawberry. Fruit, rice, cake, strawberry taste. Wow, I think they ran that through Google Translate. Bag this up. Oh, God, it's got like a powdery consistency around the packaging. There you go. You take that one. It's very, very soft.
Oh, wow, that is very soft.
Yeah, it's not like...
That's not a rice cake.
No.
How is this rice cake?
It was rice at one point in its life. And it's not...
Very squishy.
It's not like a gummy bear. It's more marshmallow, but no, it's not. It's the consistency. It's kind of like holding a stress ball. All right, let's try it.
It said not to eat the packaging. So there's no packaging on this part?
I don't know.
When I bit into it.
Yeah, I just shoved the whole thing in my mouth. This actually has like a jelly and cream center. That's wild. More gummy-ish.
But not quite a gummy bear either. It's
Not quite a gummy bear, but
about the same texture as a gummy bear.
it's definitely one of the more interesting things. What do you think of it?
I like that.
You like that one? Yeah. That was definitely very interesting on that one. Okay. This bag is so full, I don't think we'll get to get to everything. This one. This one might be the biggest gamble of the night. This is ginger candy. It's got the little ginger roots down there. This could either be incredibly bad or really, really good.
I'm gonna let you try it first.
Okay.
Because ginger can be spicy.
Ginger soft candy. Ingredients: sweet potato, malt, sugar, ginger, tapioca, cornstarch, and soy.
Soy oil.
It sounds good. Ah, excellent. They are individually wrapped. Oh, this is going to be like a hard candy. Because it's kind of like a combo, almost. It's almost like a pellet. It's not a hard candy. It's more of a hard chew. There is a ginger flavoring to it, but it's not overpowering. Wait. Give that to me. You don't want it. It's not spice. It is not a spice flavor. It is a very overpowering ginger flavor, which some people would attribute to being very similar to a spicy kick. It tastes like somebody took the syrup from ginger ale and just didn't mix it with the carbonated water. They just poured it straight in my mouth.
And didn't mix it a whole lot with sugar either? Or does it have the sugar mixture?
It does have a sweet flavor to it, but the ginger flavor is really strong. Holy cow. Woof. So that's why we did this challenge. Because we wanted to try new stuff and see what we'd get. This, what the heck is that? So, okay, so this, I guess you rip it off the top. Okay.
It's a jelly.
Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, it's, okay, let's try a little bit.
There's flowers on the packaging.
Oh! The consistency. It's more of a solid jelly.
Not like Jell-O.
No, it's like a harder Jell-O. Take a bite and suck some out. Maybe a raspberry flavorish to it.
I like it.
Yeah, and it's not. I thought what I was holding was like a liquid tube. It's not that. It's really. I'm holding this end, but it's a consistent hard jelly. Not so much like.
That also has a little bit of a floral.
Oh, does it?
Think of smelling flowers.
Maybe that's why it has flowers all over it. Maybe they got wider variety of edible flowers over there than we do. Or maybe it's more of a common thing.
Yeah, maybe it's more common that they eat edible flowers.
So guys, yes, thank you for joining in on us.
In with us.
Guys, thank you for joining in with us as we sample all these different treats and snacks and whatever some of these things are. I still don't know what you do with this. Guys, thanks again for watching. If you would, go ahead and like this video, share it if you want. Share it with your friends, share it with your enemies. They're all the same people these days. We're all together as we get through this. I hope everybody has a happy new year. And if you haven't subscribed already, remember that you might have started the day as a stranger to us. But if you subscribe, you will end only a little strange. That's how the line goes, right? Yeah, go with it.